All right, so welcome back, Cooking with Chef Johnyshwa. We have our second edition, and this is the bonus vision. And we're working on cutting our ramen, and we're going to cut our sheets of noodles down, right? And then we're going to work these in to our machine, and we can work them through. So we're going to have one student who's actually going to push it in, right? And then we're going to roll through, and we're going to catch these down bottom. Very nice job, John. I love the way you're grabbing those noodles, right? We have these beautiful ramen noodles that are coming through, working all the way through, okay? And then if we come to the end, very nice, and then we give those a nice little stir on there, and there we have some ramen noodle. Again, what makes the ramen noodle so bouncy and chewy, all right, guys, let's pull it back a little bit, Jet, and this way we can get it through nice and even. Kind of pull to this one side, there you go, keep going through. So, what makes our noodle bouncy and chewy is the baked baking soda. Baking soda is baked in the oven at 250 degrees for 1 hour. And what that's going to do is going to make our noodle bouncy and chewy. And guys, why would we want a bouncy, chewy noodle when it comes to ramen? Who thinks they know?
It absorbs the broth, right?
Well, so it doesn't absorb the broth. And so it doesn't what? It doesn't overcook in the broth either, right? So we're looking for a nice bouncy, chewy noodle. And these noodles look great. Again, this is made in the Ivan Orkin fashion. We have bread flour and rye flour, kind of emulating his special ramen. You'll see us rolling our dough out, right? We put our hands in the middle when rolling our dough out. It makes it a little bit easier going through the pasta machine. And it's not an easy task. You know, guys, that looks a little too thick. Let's get that a little thinner, and you'll find it's going to go through a lot easier, okay? And these look phenomenal. Well, thank you for bonus edition, Cooking with Chef Johnyshwa, and we'll see you tomorrow on the ramen assembly. Thank you.